So here's my beautiful new dishwasher. I got it because I wanted to update my kitchen with stainless steel. I got rid of a perfectly good white one. And now, just want to tell everybody, I hate it. I don't like it. The problem is, it's too small. The utensils have to be washed on the outside. I can barely fit all my dishes in there, which constantly leaves me with dirty dishes because I can't fit them all. And the worst thing about it is I can't even fill the bottom up, because when I do, it blocks the water stream and ends up causing this door right here with the soap to not open. As you can see, I did a whole load, went to put my dishes away, and this door is still closed. And that means the soap never came out. The reason for that is, for some reason, it still wasn't clear enough. We're not able to put things here or here because anything blocking the water stream will cause that door not to open. I absolutely hate this dishwasher. And as soon